This is how you can change permissions in your Google Tag Manager account for your users. So when you're in your interface here, this will be the default. You want to go to this button here under admin. And then under here, I recommend just going to user management under the account settings. Once you're in here, you can see the users who have access. This is me at the top. I have full administrator access, which you will need in order to change permissions within this. But you can also see these two users here only have user access, so they won't be able to publish or do other things with the accounts, which is pretty useless. They can pretty much just read it. So for this example, let's change this users. So the three buttons at the end, view users account details. And under here, we can select, well, we can see that they have only user access. So let's select that. And first thing we want to do is give them full administrator access. And this will automatically save. And what we can see here, this is the container here. They only have read access. So let's click on that and then select save. And once we're in here, we can pre-select the top one, which will automatically select the others. And they have now, once we save this, they have full administrator access in the Google Tag Manager accounts for the selected containers. And there you go, you can see they now have administrator access.